Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will dive into the fascinating world of NAT or network address translation. We'll also touch on an essential concept in networking such as public versus private IP addresses. Let's get started. So what is NAT? NAT or NAT or network address translation is a method used in networking to map one set of IP addresses to another. It plays a critical role in allowing devices within a private network to communicate with external networks such as internet. And why NAT is important? There must be the question must be in the consequences. So now why do we need NAT? NAT addresses a key issue. The limited availability of IPv4 addresses by allowing multiple devices to share a single public IP address. NAT ensures efficient use of resources and helps connect entire networks to the internet seamlessly. So now we are going to discuss about the types of IP addresses because NAT works on IP addresses. In networking, there are two main types of IP addresses, public and private. Public IP addresses are globally unique and are used for devices to communicate across the internet. On the other hand, private IP addresses are used within local networks and are not directly accessible from the internet. So there are obviously differences between public and private IP addresses. Let's break this down further. Public IPs are assigned by internet service providers and are unique across the web. Examples include ranges like 203.0.113.x, where x is different and x varies. Here we are having an example like 192.168 or 0.0 that is private IPs. They are limited in local networks. Their distinction is crucial in ensuring efficient networking. And as we are talking about NAT, so we need to know about the types of NAT. NAT comes in three main types: as Static NAT, Dynamic NAT, and PAT or post address translation, which allows many devices to share a single public IP address using port numbers. Static NAT, which creates a one-to-one mapping between private and public IPs. Dynamic NAT, where multiple private IPs are mapped from a pool of public IPs. How NAT works? That's the main question on the slide. So here, how's the NAT functions when a device on a private network sends a request to the internet? NAT replaces the private IP with a public IP. Once the response comes back, NAT translates it back to the original private IP, ensuring seamless communication. The advantages and disadvantages of NAT or NAT. So now let's talk about why NAT is so beneficial. First, it conserves public IP addresses, a precious resource in IPv4. Second, it provides an additional layer of security by hiding the internal network structure. And it also has disadvantages as also because we know there are no unmixed code on earth. So however, NAT isn't perfect. I have already told that. Configuring NAT can be complex, and certain protocols like VoIP may face compatibility issues due to address translation. And if we seek towards the real-world application of NAT is everywhere. Your home routers uses NAT to connect multiple devices to the internet. Enterprises rely on NAT for efficient and source secure network management. It's a fundamental building block of modern networking. We see NAT everywhere, and we don't know, or we know, that doesn't matter. We use NAT all the time. In conclusion, I can say that NAT is a powerful tool that enables efficient networking, solving the IPv4 address shortage while enhancing security. As we transition to IPv6, NAT's role might evolve, but its legacy will remain critical. That's for my video. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you find my video and information useful. Okay, thanks for watching.